Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga to chill out. Let's begin. Let's sit down nice and tall in a hug lotus pose. And inhale, tilt your neck to your left. And slowly bring into the front, tuck your chin. And go back to your left. And forward. Slowly back to the side. And forward. To the side. Forward. Side. Enjoy the subtle neck stretch. Very gently and slowly. Doesn't have to be big movement, but slowly, in gentle way, really release any tension from your neck. And back to center. Okay, to the opposite side. Tilt your neck. And slowly tuck your chin, bring your neck forward. To the side. Gentle massage. Forward. To the side. If you notice any tension in your neck, try to breathe in out to release. The tension no longer serves you. And make sure drop both shoulders down. Like you are giving yourself self-active massage on your neck. And one more. And back to center. Okay, now let's just switch legs, okay, to balance our body. And place one palm, let's say left palm to the side, and right palm reaching to the sky and gaze toward the ceiling, toward the sky. This tip of your finger reach while both sitting bone down on the earth. Get the maximum stretch and make sure to keep both knees soft and relax. And back to center. Now opposite hand, reach. Both sitting bone down, connect to the earth. And tip of your finger reach to get the maximum stretch on the side. And back to center. Let's do side plank. Okay, one knee down, the other knee straight and pointing your toes straight. Okay, so left palm down and reach right fingertips to the opposite side. And then from here, over and circle. Let's circle your arm. Circle. Forward to the side, behind. Make a big circle. Okay, now opposite way, reverse circle. Get a lot of oxygen. Make sure to breathe. One more. Good. Okay, let's do the other side. Toes pointing straight, knee straight. Use your knee down as a support. And reach. And make a big circle. Connect your breath with circle motion. And this is a great way to stretch your shoulders. And now reverse, big range of motion. Big range. So not so much shoulder, as if you try to move shoulder blades. Move from shoulder blades to get good range of motion to bring blood around shoulder area. One more big circle. And release. Now let's take tabletop pose. Palm heel down underneath your shoulders. Both knee about hip distance. And from here, inhale, flex the needle and the armpit reach. And up, reach to the sky and thread through the needle. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, open your chest and exhale, reach fingertips forward. Inhale, exhale, reach, 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 and back. Now let's do the opposite side. Reach fingertips to the sky and thread through the needle and the armpit. Go through. Inhale, arm pass through under armpit. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more inhale and exhale. Back to center. Very good. Tuck your toes and let's take downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And this is first time, don't worry about it. Let's do some pedaling. Pedal your feet, one heel up and down to stretch the back of your legs. And now sway your hips to the side. And now release neck tension. And from here, walk your hands to your feet slowly. Okay, now hug your elbows. If you want, bend your knees slightly and sway your head to the side gentle. Very gentle. Just hang there. Now release your hands and walk your hands back to downward facing. And inhale, right leg up. And step between hands. This time, back, knee, and toes down. From here, inhale, interlace your hands, arms up, and lunge. If you want, gaze up, soften your shoulders, fingertips reaching toward the sky. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, bring hips forward to get maximum stretch. Make sure to keep your back of your neck long. And now look straight, release your hands. Okay? From here, let's bend front knee to take king pigeon pose. Make sure to keep your both hips square and back toes down, back knee straight. Inhale, exhale. Slowly bring your upper body down. If you want, you can insert block underneath hip or pillow or roll towel. And if you want, you can hold block underneath your forehead or pillow again, roll bath towel. Okay? You can be creative when you are practicing yoga. Okay? And breathe. And use exhale to sink your hips down. Soften your chest. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. And if you notice any tension creeping up, try to release by using your breath. And now, slowly bring your chest up and bring front leg back. Downward facing dog. And inhale, let's bring left leg up. And exhale, step between. Back knee, back toes down. Keep your hips square. Interlace your hands, bring your arms up. And bring hips forward and look up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale to reach to lengthen. And exhale to sink your hips down. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to bring your hips forward and sink down. Inhale. And exhale. Keep breathing. Relax your shoulders. And release your hands, look straight. Bend front knee to take king pigeon pose. Again, you can insert the block underneath your hip as a support or pillow. And inhale and exhale slowly. Bring your upper body down. And stay there. Use exhale to soften your shoulders. Sink down your hips to the mat. The body, entire body, melting down to the mat. Just noticing your breath. Inhale to fill up the air. Exhale, release. No tension at all, no forceful power at all. Now, slowly bring your upper body up. And now, sit down. And slowly on your own, lay down on your back. And the sole of your feet together to drop your knees to the side. And you can place your hands by the sides and palms up. Let's take deep breaths here. Slowly bring your knees out and open your hips. And surrender and let it go. Inhale. And exhale. Release. This sequence is perfect to relax your mind and body. I recommend you do it as often as you need. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!